Hello and welcome to a demonstration of MediaPulse. In the next few minutes, we will go over how to customize documents in your MediaPulse. The document customization application can be used to establish custom caching, refreshing, and leasing options for records tied to a particular document and to create a wide variety of custom fields that can be added to the tables included in each document. Once custom fields have been added to the table, they are immediately available in the layout applications. If the document is a maintenance document, the system will automatically add the custom fields to the associated search list document, so they can be added to its layouts for users to search on custom field values. Please note, only system administrators will be able to create or edit screen layouts. First, let's open Document Customization and search for the document we want to customize. Next, let's go to the Document Tables tab and add a new row. In the description, let's enter Billing Code Custom and add a unique value to the customization code field. Save your work. Now on the Custom Field tab, add a new row. In this example, we will create a drop-down custom field. Name the field. Notice how the database column field defaults with a field number. We will leave this field as not required. Be careful when making fields required. Now on the drop-down Field Options tab, let's add a new row for each option. Here we will add two rows labeled Yes and No in the Options text field. Let's make the top one red for urgent and the second one blue for not urgent. Save and close the document customizations. For the next step, we will log into the Smart Client to add the field to the billing code layout. Navigate to the Layouts list in the System module. Search for an existing billing code layout and open it. Click on the identification block and expand billing code in the Layout Tools section. Expand the subcategory Billing Code Custom and scroll down to find your field. Drag the item onto the identification block and save and close the layout. Now, search for the Site Custom layout for the Billing Codes List document and open one. Click on the Criteria tab and expand the criteria in the Layout Tools section. Expand the subcategory Billing Code Custom and again find your field and drag it to the layout. Click on the Data tab, collapse Criteria in the Layout Tools, and expand Billing Codes. As we just did with Criteria, now we can expand Billing Code Custom and drag your field into the list. Notice how it gets placed to the far right. Let's drag the field to the left so we don't have to scroll to see it when we search. Save and close the layout and return to MediaPulse. Now it's time to populate our new field on some billing codes. Search for some recent billing codes and open one using the custom layout we just added the field to. Let's do a few with both options selected to give us some data to search for. Click Filter and populate Yes. Search. Now let's find the No's. Notice how the colors show on the list. Custom fields added to the maintenance list can also be added to the report's layout. So in this case, we can add the field to the Billing Codes report. For more tips and tricks on MediaPulse, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@xytechsystems.com.